4, 3, 2, 1.
Ito po yung kuha ng ano natin.
Simulation of fire, simulation of collapse structure, and medical response experiment first aid. Ginamang po dito, lalo-lalo na po sa intramuros area.
Kaya tinetest na natin yung mga machineries. Kaya pala ito Oo. So yung siren niya, 5 kilometers. Now, how far we got the attention of the community. And later on, how can we escalate this senior. Talagang sinigyan namin palaki ninyo. Usually, di ba, civics, sa barangay lang. Pinalakihan namin para iba't ibang ahensya ng gobyerno, iba't ibang community, iba't ibang kakaiwan, life structure, kasi may life structure dyan, may road structure, may human structure. Identify na kasi meron na kami mga reason na doon na in the future, doon din kami maglalagay. In fact, yung intramuros policies will be utilized for other major alam mo. This is
It can
happen anytime. Kasi walang fixed time. In fact, sa major nagagawin natin yung posibilidad ng lockdown. With this lockdown, part and trade, everyone will stop. How can we move? Everybody's not. This is a white
Relax na ako.
So those are the learning curves. Walang pasok. So kaya kailangan patayin mo yung city. Dead talaga. Kasi natin only the local government from within. Ano magiging reaction natin? Naalala mo yun? This is part of it. This is the effects of that. Visual situation. The logic behind di ba ba? Let's just say collapse ito. Let's just say collapse ito. Kaya natin magandang ito. Hotel ba? Capacity. You can see may tao pa rin. Pwede kami Sir Kibab, patient. Kasi ang inaabata natin, limited resources. It's not because it is limited. Because the event is so huge. It will fit at how we can utilize limited
Okay na?
resources. Is at scale. Kaya kailangan lagi. So, timely, we can Good morning mga batang Intramuros. Narinig nila. Yan naalala mo na isang araw sa kahit na. O, kaway-kaway nga kayo sa hangin. Si Yorme to. Tingin kayo sa hangin, sa langit. Mga batang Intramuros, mga taga ano doon, Port Lyceum. Mga batang Lyceum. Kaway-kaway. So, even to the point that we can direct order, guide an individual through via air or communicating with them. Ito ang pakalagan ko. Kasi you never know.
Dapat ka pa siya ang
Oo. Tatlong uri yan. Pero iba-ibang photo. Naka 88. Shout out doon sa naka-blue, naka-number 88. Tingin ka sa taas.
Tay, babaan lang daw po. Baba mo pa ng konti. Keep, pababa raw po konti, keep. Maingay ba daw po?
Okay. Yan ang kailangan nyo practice. Kailangan practice and practice ng navigation.
May napisig lang.
Okay. Thank you so much. Please help us inform the public. Be aware of
Yung mga challenges po ba tayo?
ay wala pa naman. Mamaya pa. Wala natin mamaya. Whether communication, civil reaction, participation, resources, tapos yung crowd, lumabas. Kasi iba yung dito sa building, 50 kami. Dito sa, pero nung makita mo, 200 pala sila. You never know. That's why you have to conduct exercise.
So sabi nyo kayo ng muscle memory, so ibig sabihin walang end yung drill na to hanggang makisa talaga.
Of course, that's what we call protective. Para malimitahan mo yung casualty. Because there will be casualty. I think scientists already stated possibility of that. Expect nung araw po. But still, age will catch up.
Nasa lang sir, mensahe sa ating mga Manileños, especially sa Intramuros Wide muna.
Maraming salamat sa kanila sa participation nila. At pasensya na rin, naabala kayo. But do our best, the MDRRM and other agencies of government to really conduct this kind of exercise for our own good. Daig ng maaga ang masipag. Kaya maghahanda tayo. Gagamit tayo ng resources ng pamahalaan para sa kasanayan. At maging bahagi ito.
Sir, thank you.
Thank you. Okay, ma'am ya.